Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a business owner and you are still spending little money to fix some problems that you ought to be doing yourself, then you are the one causing your problems, because there are lovely apps you can use to fix this problem to enhance your business. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 different apps you can use to enhance your business. So stay with me guys, just relax and make sure you watch the video to the end because it's going to blow your mind. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Last week, I was having a conversation with a female friend of mine. She's a nurse, let me put it that way. She's a nurse. We are having a conversation and I said, "What are you doing?" And she said, she's designing. And I'm like, "You are designing? Are you a graphic artist?" She said, "No, I'm not a graphic artist, but I design on my phone." I said, "How do you go about that?" She said, "I use Canva." I said, "Wow, okay, send me your design, let me see it." Trust me guys, when she sends the designs, they are lovely designs. They are amazing designs. Now the beautiful thing about Canva is the fact that Canva has templates on their app. You don't even need to think of concept or what kind of design or how design go about. They have templates on their app. All you just need to do is to fill in your information on the templates and the design is yours for free of charge. So the first app you need to download this year, guys, go to your Play Store now and download Canva and start designing your flyer design. Enough of giving that graphic artist your last 4K, your last 5K to design for you. With Canva, you can design your flyer, you can design your poster, even your logo design. Trust me guys. Canva, go and download it now. The second app you need to have on your phone is PinPress. I repeat, PinPress. You see, there is something amazing about PinPress. If you are a fashion designer, if you are a graphic artist, I don't know that business you find yourself doing. PinPress is a place where you get innovations and ideas. No matter the business you are doing, if you go to PinPress, just go to the Play Store, download PinPress. When you sign up on PinPress, go to search and search for stuff that relates to your business. Trust me guys, you are going to be shocked with the kind of innovation and ideas you see regarding your nature of work and business. PinPress is very important. That's the second app you need to download. The first one I said Canva, the second one now I say PinPress. The third app you need to download on your phone guys is Bumper. I repeat, Bumper. I don't know why till now you are still sending 100 pictures to your customers when you can go to Bumper and open a mini website for your business and you can just send them the link for them to see your jobs. Baba me, this life is not hard, now you make it hard for yourself. So go straight to Bumper, open a mini website for your business. You can create a mini website for your business. If your customer asks for your job, well, let me see what you have done before, you can just copy the link from the website and send to them. Unlike you copying, sending them pictures on WhatsApp and sending them stuff on WhatsApp. You are the one stressing yourself. With Bumper, life don't become easy. That's the third one. The fourth app you need to have on your phone is Moneypoint. I repeat, Moneypoint. I know that most of you don't really have money to register your business professionally like the CAC. But with Moneypoint, you can open a business account on their platform and you have the account to send to your customers to send money to you. So if you don't have a CAC and you feel like, because I don't have a CAC, I can now open a company account, the bank are asking for company account. Moneypoint is different. With your name, even without having a CAC, you can have a business account with Moneypoint and you can use that account for transaction anywhere. You can send that account to anywhere, anybody to send money to you, and you receive the payment on your wallet. So go straight down to Moneypoint now and download the app. Open your business name on that app and start doing transaction with your company name, even though you're not registered guys. Trust me, Moneypoint is very important for you as a young entrepreneur that is still finding it difficult to register your business. Go straight now and download Moneypoint. The last one, I hope you guys have subscribed. If you value this information I'm giving you, kindly support my channel and subscribe. Last but not the least, go to your Play Store now and download the Daily Sales Record app. I repeat, the Daily Sales Record app. This app helps you with your receipts, your sales record, and it's going to audit all your transactions for you. You won't be using calculator to calculate your head. I want to run one like I don't understand what is happening. With Daily Sales app, it will help you to account for your sales and receipts and record straight up without even using any accountant to calculate your sales. You are a young business person, you need all these 5 apps to enhance your business in this year 2024. Enough of excuses guys. These apps are free. I don't know what you are waiting for. go straight right now and download it. If there's anything you don't understand, kindly drop your comment on the comment section. Let me hear your feedback. And if this video is helpful to you guys, don't forget, kindly hit the subscribe button and on your notification bell so you can see my other updates if I have a solution for you. Thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it.